Funko
Blind Boxes.
Blind Boxes.
Yeah, we're gonna open up 4 blind boxes for you today because of the special 1,000 subscribers! Oh my gosh. We are so excited. We can't even believe it. You guys are the best Toy-tastic fans. Come on, get it, Kaya. That one first. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Ooh, who is it? Who is it?
Who is it?
Okay, let's open it up.
I'm gonna pull it out.
Scootaloo! We don't have this one. Oh, Scootaloo.
It's still like apple blue.
Cutie Mark Crusaders. Well, we're missing one.
How about Speedo?
Speedo! Speedo, you in there? Speedo!
Very apple.
Okay, next one. Ooh, good choice.
Can I open it too?
Yeah. Ooh, another hashtag!
I'm so excited.
Me too.
Can I pull it out?
Yeah, it's sealed. This one is sealed. Okay, Kaya, what is it? Oh, I'm so excited! Mod Pie, everybody! Oh my gosh, the whole Toy-tastic family has been really wanting Mod Pie. Mod Pie is our favorite character ever in My Little Pony. So we're gonna go freak out for a second. Okay. Ooh.
I know what friend this would be.
Hey, what is it? I'm
gonna pull it out.
Okay, you can pull
I'm
it
gonna
out.
pull the toy out.
Ooh, it's so mysterious.
I know. I hope it gets quick kisses.
Okay, are you ready, Kaya?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it? Sure! Oh my goodness, he is really big! Oh my! Oh, we really wanted shining armor! Yay! Okay, Kai, last one! Ooh.
I'm gonna pull the toy out, right?
Of course.
Yeah, cause I'm gonna do this. Robotics!
Okay, the last blind box!
So excited. I'm gonna pull the toy out, right?
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, it's really big. It's really big. What is it? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Princess Celestia! Oh my gosh, she's like clear. Princess Celestia is so pretty. Here, Kaya. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. She looks like the real thing.
Thanks for our channel.
Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. We have 1,000 subscribers and we are so excited. I don't even know what to do. So we got these blind boxes and we have some really great finds. These are all of the toys we got today and they're so cute. Whoa, Princess Celestia is really glowing bright. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. We love you. Hi, Mod Pie.
So much water did. Come with me.
Oh, where are we going, Mod?
We're going to my family. Yes, that's me.
Your family?
Yeah. Here.
Like Pinkie Pie?
No.
Oh, I love Pinkie Pie. She is a darling. Shining armor. Is Princess Cadence okay?
Yeah. Actually, we both wax. So bye.
Oh.
I was being in that box in a long day.
Yes, being in that box is not very fun, but we are out to stretch our wings. Come, fly with me, Scootaloo. Hi, Scootaloo.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill him upstairs. Maybe my sister.
Oh, I have to go home to take care of my rock. Don't bother following.
Whoa.